Hello and welcome to day 8 of the 30-day Yoga and Pilates challenge. Today we're doing Pilates for the booty, glute exercises. We're going to start on our fours, hands just below your shoulders, knees below your hips. We're going to start with the right leg, extend the leg, and from here tuck the knee in and push back, in, push back, in, push back. The donkey kicks. We're going to be doing 20 reps of each exercise. We're going to alternate both sides. In, out, in, kick back, in, out. Core is tight. We're squeezing the glutes when we kick back. But don't arch your lower back. It's just from the hip. Okay, now we're gonna switch the other leg for 20 reps. Same thing, tuck the knee in, then kick back, in, out, in, out. Squeeze your glutes when you kick out. Nicely done. Okay, now switch legs again. We're gonna keep the leg straight and lift up and down, up and down. But same, please don't arch your lower back. Make sure the hip is doing the lift, not the lower back. Of course, the lower back is engaged as well in this move, but it should stay flat and glutes are doing the lift. Okay, nice. Switch the legs, the other leg for 20 reps. Okay, nicely done. We are switching legs again, right leg. Now we're going to do small pulses. Keeping the leg straight, you can point your toes and add small pulses here. So we're not dropping the leg to the ground, to the mat. We are pulsing up and down, squeezing the glutes. And switching, left leg again, point your toes and pulse up and down, up and down, up and down. Nicely done. Okay, switch legs again, point your toe, and now we're gonna do push backs up. So knee 90-degree angle, and we're gonna push up and down, pushing the heel towards the sky or the ceiling, squeezing the glutes. Switching legs. I need to stretch my leg a little bit. Stretching the other one, and now 90-degree, pushing up and down, up, squeezing the glutes, 20 reps. And nice. Okay, switching legs again. Now we're doing the attitude raises, crossing ankles. And now, keeping this position, we're gonna raise the leg up and down, keeping ankles in a line. So this is not a side raise. When you lift the leg, you need to keep your ankles in one line. We're just working glutes from a different angle. Okay, nicely done. Switch. Cross your ankles, knee to the side, lift the leg, keeping ankles in line. Off we go. Well done. Okay, time to switch legs again. Now we're gonna do the attitude poses. So we're gonna lift the leg, keeping it in this position, ankles in line, and now we're gonna only pulse here. Small pulses, up and down, engaging the abs. Nicely done, that was quick. Let's do 20 reps for the other leg as well. And off we go. And rest. Now fire hydrant clamps. Open the knee but toes stay on the ground. Open, lower. Open, lower. Let's go. This is a tough exercise. And rest. Okay, it's time to do the other side for 20 reps. And rest. Nicely done. Okay, now right leg, and you can come down on your left forearm. We're doing fire hydrants. Keeping the same position of the leg and lifting directly to the side. There's something on my left foot, maybe a bug or something else, I don't know. Okay, nicely done. Now switching the other side, lifting the left leg to the side, and as you can see, I'm down on my right forearm. Okay, nicely done. Now switching legs and arms again, extending the right leg to the side, lift the leg, bend, extend down, lift, bend, extend down, lift, bend, extend down, lift, bend, kick down. Here we'll be doing only 10 reps, I believe. Nicely done. For the next exercises, they're gonna be hard, so only 10 reps a side. Off we go, the other leg. Lift, bend, kick down. Lift, bend, extend down. Lift, bend, extend down. Don't give up. I know it's hard. My legs are burning. The glutes should be burning. Oopsie. Let's go. And now switch again. Now drawing fire hydrant circles. We're going to do 10 each leg. To the side, then circle the leg down. Side, circle down. Side, circle down. Side, circle down. Okay. The other leg. It's side, circle down. Side, circle down. Side, circle down. Just 10 reps. Okay, now we're gonna switch legs again and we're gonna reverse. So it's back, then circle. Back, circle down. Back, circle down. Back, circle down. Switching. Almost there, we're almost done. The other leg for 10 reps, back, circle down, back, circle down, back, circle down. Nicely done. Okay, we have one last bonus exercise. We're gonna be on our knees, and from here we're gonna lean forward, dropping the hips down, keeping the back straight and squeezing booty at the top. Leaning forward, dropping hips back, squeezing booty at the top. Keep squeezing at the top and keep holding for a second at the bottom. You should feel that in your glutes, not in your quads, in your glutes. Lean forward, hips dropping back, squeezing the glutes. This is the last exercise, last effort for the glutes. And that was it. 10 reps. Nicely done. 15 minutes of glute work. Thank you so much for joining me today. Enjoy your day. Be good. I'm gonna see you tomorrow.